We are in the hospital. There's Chris and Cameron, Mama, and Caitlin. We're in the hospital waiting for Shayna. Yeah, Shayna's in there getting an x-ray. She just went into that little room right there because she might have a cracked rib. But she'll be fine. My mom's watching the football game.
Oh yeah.
We're in the Newton Hospital in Georgia. Yeah. Would you like my school pictures?
Huh? What?
You like my school pictures?
School pictures?
Let me see. And there's Caitlin's school picture.